Hey friends, Mark here. As always, they tell me don't quit your day job, so actually got to build some cabinets in here and get my thoughts together. Hang on for 1 second, let me screw these in. I got to tell you, I love what I do. I am truly blessed to be able to do woodworking, have a workshop at my home and stuff, and to be able to be here. It actually makes it really easy to do a lot of the videos and things because I'm here on my job. My boss, well, he's an asshole. But I've got the TV on, so I've got the NFL Network, so I get the news of everything that's happening and so on. And I'm really blessed. It took me a long time to figure out how to make this into a business. And how to make a living at it, but I'm glad that I finally did. Hang on. Now that's a nice tight joint. But I gotta get my thoughts together because me and Foots are going for round number 3 of Dez Bryant. We all know, we've heard the rumors that the Cowboys are looking to cut Dez Bryant after the draft and so on. We don't know if there's any validity to that and things, and I'm sure that if it's not right, they won't catch the flack that I did. But be it as it may, when I talk about letting a person go, it's not that I don't like the person or I want to see them go and things like that. It's not that. What you have to understand is you can't keep everybody. There's going to be players that you're used to seeing that you always think about are great players. You don't think about what the potential is from here going forward. What you remember are the good times. I always equate it to growing up. When we all think about where we grew up at, it was the greatest place in the world, man. Oh man, there was no place like home. You only remember the good times that were there. You might not remember the toxic waste dump that was around the corner. You might not remember some of the drive-by shootings. You might not remember the unemployment and things like that. You only remember the good things that happened. And that's kind of how we are when we get to players. And it doesn't matter what they've done recently. Forget about the trends. What your mind are, you're thinking about the good times and things that happened. Now, I've got some arguments to go with this Dez Bryant debate with Foots and things. If Dez Bryant is kicked to the curb, if he does play someplace else, I will miss him. I wish that Dez Bryant was able to be here and to win a ring, the same way I wish that DeMarcus Ware could have been able to win a ring here. Hell, I'm happy anybody could win a ring here at this point. It's been so damn long. You understand my point, but you got to understand that it's more than just one guy. And I've got some pretty good points that I think are going to be pretty interesting and eye-opening that will actually make you kind of go, I didn't think about that. But when you go by the numbers and statistics, I'm sorry, Dez Bryant's time in Dallas is up. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm going by the numbers and the statistics. And he may be successful elsewhere in a different system and things like that. However, if you want the Dallas Cowboys to succeed now, If you want the Dallas Cowboys to get themselves straight for the future, Dez Bryant in the current situation is not part of that equation. But then, what do I know? I'm a guy with a day job building cabinets. I don't work for the NFL. Apparently, if I knew enough, maybe I would. So, I'm going to finish putting this cabinet together, and then we'll get ready for our debate with Foots. I'm Mark Holmes. I got more work to do. These are hidden screws. So the screws here on the bottom, the base goes on here. This is the underneath part of it. We'll have a couple of doors here and a couple of spice drawers that go in here. And then we have adjustable shelves in the top, but you don't see any of the screws I put together. No nails or anything up here, or holes and things. And this is actually a pre-finished plywood. So we'll put a face frame on this, and we only have to varnish that in the doors. And it's a great product. I love building stuff. And voila, the beginning of a pantry cabinet. Get my face frames and all that stuff put on here, make the doors, and it'll be good to go. I'll see you guys with Foots later. Foots, I'm coming for you, buddy.